Losing weight is easy, but losing fat without losing muscle requires strategy. Here's a week by week breakdown of a real 16-week bodybuilding prep. First 4 weeks are phase 1, which is the initial deficit. Cut 200 calories, assuming baseline calorie intake is 3600. Training stays heavy because losing strength early is how most people lose muscle. Stack includes testosterone, MPP for joint support and strength, GH for recovery along with a peptide mixture of GHK copper, KPV, TB500 and BPC 157 for tissue healing. Fat burners are avoided early and kept for later stages. From week 3, add 30 minutes of cardio to accelerate fat loss. Before we move to phase 2, hit follow to learn the structure of a 16-week bodybuilding prep. Next comes phase 2, which is the metabolism kickstart. Covers the next 4 weeks. Cut another 100 calories for steady fat loss. Move cardio from 30 to 45 minutes. 200 mg Mastron per week is brought in for a dense hard look along with metabolism peptides, SS31, MOD-C and SLU-PP for fat burning. From week 7, fat burner yohambine and 2.5 mg retatrutide per day enter the protocol as hunger starts increasing. Strategic refeeds are introduced to keep muscles full and metabolism active. Phase 3 is hardening and deep conditioning phase from week 9 till 12. Clen enters the stack while yohambine continues to push fat loss harder. The biggest cut happens by dropping another 900 calories, and this is where most people start losing muscle instead of fat. And so from week 11, 200 milligrams of tren per week is brought in to keep strength up and protect muscle density. But NPP is removed to reduce water retention. Training volume drops, but heavy lifting stays because lighter weight flattens the physique. Cardio remains at 45 minutes. Phase 4 is the maximum dryness phase from week 13 till week 15. 10 milligrams of Winstrol is added every 8 hours for extra dryness and hardness. Drop another 500 calories. Cardio is increased to 60 minutes to bring elite level conditioning. But as hunger starts going out of control, Reta is raised to 5 milligram. From week 15, drop another 400 calories with carbs reaching minimum levels. Training drops to just 1 working set and cardio is reduced to 40 minutes because recovery starts suffering. Testosterone, GH and recovery peptides are removed to reduce water retention. Yohambine and Clen stay for peak conditioning. Phase 5, which is the final peak week phase, training stays minimal, cardio becomes 0, water intake is raised aggressively to 10 liters before gradually tapering down. On the days when the carbs are at their lowest, sodium stays high to keep muscles full. During the carb up in the final 2 days, carbs are increased drastically while protein is dropped. Sodium is reduced but never fully removed to avoid a flat look. Comment prep and I'll share the complete 16-week prep doc. Save this and share it with a friend preparing for a bodybuilding show.